Welcome back, kids. Today we are going to learn here English grammar module 10. Now look here. In this module 10 we will learn dictation. Here is word dictation, then vocabulary with magic words, then grammar, joining words. In this grammar section we will see joining words. Okay, then writing section is here, make sentences, and after that here is last section is of picture reading. Here is picture 1 and picture 2. Okay, so we will see that what is here. Now look here, first word dictations. So exercise number 1, word dictation, and in this section here is some empty spaces. Now in the first number here is you have to write number 1 whole word, HOLE, whole. First word is whole, HOLE, whole. Second is heart, HEART, heart. Then third word is shapes, SHAPES, shapes. Fourth word is nest, NEST, nest. Fifth word is egg, EGG, egg. Sixth word is wings, WINGS, wings. Then seventh word is finger, FINGER. Last word is star, STAR, star. So you have to write these words on this page number 48 of your grammar book. Okay, so this is word dictation. Now next is, here is vocabulary section, and in this section we will see magic words. What is magic words? Magic words are polite words that we must use when we speak with others, with our friends, with our parents, or with our elders. Okay, that time we have to use these words, magic words, and these are very polite words. So using these words show that we have good manners. Okay, when we use these words, that time we shows these are very good words and we have good manners. Okay, so we will see the 5 magic words. So look here, which 5 magic words are here? First is I'm sorry. Okay, when we use this I'm sorry, when we do something wrong or when we hurt others, that time we must use I'm sorry. Okay, then second word is please. We should say please when we ask for something. When we use please when we ask for something. Okay, then third magic word is here excuse me. When we use it, we should say excuse me when we ask for permission. We can also use it to ask someone to stop doing something. Okay, मतलब किसी से परमिशन लेनी है तो भी आप excuse me यूज़ कर सकते हो. और if you want to stop something, that time also you can use this. And also listen to us. Okay, so use this excuse me to listen to us or ask for permission or to stop doing something. Okay, now fourth word is thank you. We all know this magic word, thank you. We must thank people when they do something nice for us or give us something. Okay, so that time you have to use this thank you. Then last magic word we can see here, may I. Now we should say may I while asking for permission to do something. Okay, when you want to do something, that time you should take permission. In that time you have to use this magic word may I. Okay, now we will solve this exercise. Here is exercise number 2.1. What do we say when the following happens? Now one is done for you, means already one example is solved. So we will solve other. Now second is here. We want to request our friends for something. Then which magic word we use? Please. Okay. If we want to do request, that time we use please. Okay. Now third is here. We want to ask the teacher a question. If you want to ask question to teacher, then excuse me. Okay. You should use the magic word excuse me. Then fourth, we get gifts on our birthday. That time we say thank you. Then we want to leave the classroom for a few minutes. Then we have to use may I, because there is a permission. So use may I. Then sixth is we break something at home. Means this is the wrong thing. It's a mistake. That time we must say sorry. Okay. Now next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct magic word. Now again one is done for us. Okay. Here is first is the solid. First fill in the blank is may I get my bag from the classroom. Now this boy or girl, they take permission. So here is may I. Okay. Then second is dash dash, do you know where my pencil is? So now here is you have to write excuse me. Okay. Now third, can you dash dash help me with this sum? Now here is a request. So write please. Okay. Now next is I am dash dash, I did not mean to tear your paper. Means here is again mistake. So write sorry. Then fifth, dash dash for giving me these sweets. Now here is thank you, because they give something to this person. So say thank you. Then sixth, dash dash come in. Now here is a permission. So write may I. Okay. Now we will see grammar section, and in this grammar section we will learn joining words. So what is joining words? Suppose if we want to join some objects, two objects, okay, that time we use glue or feviquick or fevicol. Yes or not? Means we join this thing. Okay. But if we want to join two words, that time we have to use joining words. And these joining words are and, or. And or, these are joining words. Okay, joining words also used to join two sentences. मतलब दो सेंटेंस ज्वाइन करने के लिए भी जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं, और दो वर्ड्स ज्वाइन करने के लिए भी जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं. कौन से जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स हैं? एंड और. ओके, सो दीज आर जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स. So we will see the use of and. When we use and to join words or sentences that are related to each other, ऐसे things जो एक दूसरे से related होते हैं, that time we use and. Okay. For example, Rohit has a dog. Rohit has a cat. Okay. So how can we join these sentences? We can say that Rohit has a dog and a cat. Okay, means we join these sentences with and. Okay, so this is joining word. Now look here. Here is a exercise number 3.1. What is here? We can see a picture. We will solve this exercise by looking picture or by observing picture. So first picture is here. We can see a dog and cat. So write a dog and a cat. Now second picture is here. What? We can see a honeybee and a flower. So write a bee and a flower because they are related to each other. So you use and. Then we can see third example. What is here? Bus, car. So write a bus and a car. Then fourth number, we can see frog, snake. So write a frog and a snake. Okay, so use joining word and. Look here. We can see here a girl and a boy. This is girl, this is boy. So write a girl and a boy. Okay. Now we can see a glass, a bottle. Then we can join these two words with and. So write a glass and a bottle. Okay. So here we use and. This is joining word. Now here is next exercise. Read the sentences and follow the instruction. Now here is a picture. Sorry, here are some pictures. Okay. But in this exercise, we will also use or. Now we will see when we use or. If you want to show a choice between two things, that time we use or to join them. ओके अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि आपको आइसक्रीम चाहिए या चॉकलेट, दैट टाइम वी यूज और. ओके मीन्स इट्स यूज फॉर अ चॉइस. दिस इज और. ओके फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन यूज अ पेन, you can use a pencil. That time we join these two sentences by or. Okay, means you can use a pen or a pencil. मतलब तुम पेन भी यूज कर सकते हो या पेंसिल भी. दिस इज और. Okay, so we join these sentences by or. Now look here. Here is a exercise. So we will solve it. What's the instruction? Tick the bulb and the sun. Now we can see that it's already ticked. It's a picture of sun and it's picture of bulb. So it's tick it. Then tick the bucket or the whale. Now here is a choice. You can tick the bucket or whale. Means किसी दोनों में से किसी एक को ही टिक करना है. So you tick the bucket. Okay. Then second, take the picture of child who is wearing shoes and a cap. Now in this 4 picture we can see that here is she is wearing a cap and also shoes. So take this girl. Next, take the pen or the pencil. Here is again choice. So you can take pencil or pen. So here I take the pen. Now fifth example, take the picture of the person who is happy and dancing. Now who is here? Now look at this girl. She is very happy and she is dancing. So take the girl. Look here, this girl. Okay, so take this girl. Now next, take the picture of the forest or the classroom. Now here is again choice, means take only one. If forest or classroom. So if you want to take classroom, so don't take forest, and if you want to take forest, so don't take classroom. Okay, so here I take for forest. Next is Exercise number 3.3. Join the words and make simple sentences. One is done for you. Okay. Now here is, we can see a picture of king and queen. Now with the help of this picture, we will make sentences. Here is already one sentence is ready. What is? The king and the queen are happy. Okay. Now we will solve next examples. We can see here a cup or glass. So we use these words with or and then make sentences. So which sentence is here? Can you give me cup or glass? Okay. Can you give me cup or glass? Next example. Here is a cake and pie. Cake and pie. Okay. So we will make sentence. Let us eat cake and pie. चलो हम केक और पाए खाते हैं. Now next. Here is fourth example. You can see a sheep or plane. So we can see the sentence. We can travel by sheep or plane. With the help of this picture, we make sentence. We can travel by sheep or by plane. Okay. Next example. What is here? Cow and goat. So make sentences by using this cow and goat. So we can make here the cow and the goat are eating grass. Look here, both are eating grass. So write that the cow and the goat are eating grass. Now here is sixth example. What is here? We can see a chair and or bed. Chair or bed. Now by using this chair or bed, we can make sentence. Sit on the chair or bed. मीन्स आप चेयर पे बैठ सकते हो या बेड पे, दोनों में से एक पे ही बैठना है. Now we will see the next section. Here is writing section. Make sentences. So we can see a exercise. Make correct and meaningful sentences using these words. Add a full stop when you complete each sentence. Now here is one done for us. So we can see that first. Here is a word open. And by using this word, here is the window is open. You can also use the door. Instead of window, you can use the door word. Okay, the door is open. The window is open. Okay, now second word is down. By using this down word, we make sentence. Come down with me. And then add full stop. Add full stop when you complete each sentence. Okay. Now third is grow. Now grow word is here and we will make sentence. My plant will grow in a few days. So look here, grow word here. Means by using this word we make sentence. Now word 4. So you can write here, I have 4 friends. You can write that I have 4 pencils. Pens means it's your choice. Okay, and then add full stop. Next is brown. So which sentence we can make here? My dog is brown in color. Okay. Then you can also make sentence. I like brown cake. Okay. Or you can also make sentence that I like brown color. Okay. So this is exercise of sentence making. So I hope you understood this module 10. Today we have learnt magic words, then joining words and sentence framing. Okay. So your homework is fill this module 10 in your grammar book and solve exercise of page number 61 and 63 means 61 to 63. There are two pictures, and by also observing this picture, you answer the questions and write correct option in the box. Okay, so solve these two pictures and question answers. Thank you. Bye.